So this is our very last morning here aboard the Sky Princess. We are about to go embark on our very next journey. It is going to be so exciting because it's something extremely luxurious. We've never in our lives done this before, and it's just going to be an amazing experience. Can't wait to show you guys. We are growing up without borders, a family of 5 traveling to every country in the world. It all began with a 5-week trip to Europe back in 2013, which then led to us traveling to now 6 continents and 100 plus countries and counting. Are you ready to join the journey? Let's go. How was your time on the Sky Princess, Chloe?
Well, I have 3 favorite things: the food, the entertainment, and the kids club. Meeting friends.
Would you go again?
Yes.
So we're off to our next adventure, and it's a pretty crazy surprise what we're about to go do next. What's our next destination, next country destination?
Zurich, Switzerland.
Switzerland! Chloe, why are you saying it like that?
That's what I used to say.
That's how you used to say it when you were 5 years old. How'd you say it?
Switzerland.
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 This is a special area of the airport. I've never been to this area before, girls. This is where all the VIPs come, and Pepe's. VIPs and Pepe's come here. So this is where the VIPs come when they take their private jets. So they have their own security check through and then their own personal lounge. They have some different things like coffees and some snacks. And I'll show you what it looks like. I can't believe we're actually going to do this. Like, this seems so far-fetched for us to take a private jet, especially when it's only like a couple hours away. Okay, you guys ready to board?
Oh, I'm so excited. I can't believe this is happening.
Look at all these private jets out here. Oh, they're beautiful. Rock and roll, guys.
Shoot, the adventure begins.
You guys ready to go, girls?
Oh, I'm so excited.
And this is my seat on the jet. I'm going on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Go, you guys. This is for real. We are taking off. table. Monopoly deal. Here we come.
Put that one down.
This is what you do when you're on a private jet. You take lots of photos and food. This is the guy you never see behind the scenes. Lunchtime on a jet. These are the little mini vegetable sandwiches. Look at all the baby oils they gave us. Vegetable oils. Little baby lemon. We just keep finding more and more food. Crystals, chocolate, they've got desserts, like everything.
We're never gonna go hungry.
Gumbo.
No way.
Too bad we're not on a 5-hour flight. Granola bars. You guys hungry? Oh my gosh, what in the world? So we're in a distance, we can see Mont Blanc coming up.
Guys, we are approaching the Swiss Alps.
Yeah, that was amazing. So this is what it looks like when you're flying a private jet. You land in a different area of the airport. You land in the executive area, whatever that is. So here we are.
Oh, this is a nice van.
Isn't it beautiful? Look at the seats like that. Nice. Look at this. It's snowing right now, you guys.
Holy smokes, it's snowing.
It's snowing out.
No way, it's snowing. We come home. So winter.
It's like getting to look a lot.
That's
like
nice. No. So you guys, we're on our way right now to the Burgenstock, one of the top hotels, resorts here in Switzerland, and it's snowing. I can't believe it's snowing. Oh my gosh, so exciting.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you.
So we are staying at the Burgenstock Hotel and check out our room. It's amazing. This is our room. Let's open it. So, they gave us some candies here, some fruit, which is really nice, and check out this big bed, which is so nice. Look at, it's like so big. And then you have this bathtub that looks over the view if it was nice and sunny. And then check out Chloe's bed. It's like in the window. How cool is that to sleep and to see that as your view? So cool. And look at all the products they use. Really nice products.
Let me show you their mini bar. So when you stay at the Burgenstock, they include all the drinks and the sodas and the beer. And you can purchase the wine and champagne extra if you'd like. See you all at the spa.
Okay, we'll be up there.
Bye. I'm going to the spa. Oh, open. Right now to the spa. So we have our lady.
It's snowing out.
With you, choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody
I just want to say welcome back to the Burgenstock, and it's snowing today.
It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door.
So dinner tonight here is spices here at the Burgenstock. Most of the food is Thai, Indian, Japanese, like very Asian, and it is so delicious. You see this? What did you get, Chloe?
I got Pai Thai.
That's red
That's all
curry.
Dad's.
What's this?
Mine is a coconut soup.
You got coconut soup. I'm sorry. Oh, that's my dad.
What did she say this was? See me, I got a big bowl of it.
Look at this. Oh, what is that, girls?
It's dry
It's like a
ice.
Hawaiian explosion.
Watch this, you.
That's so cool.
Does it ever stop?
Somebody ate one. Are there fortune cookies here? Look at how cute they are.
You
Never
own
seen a fortune
a mega
cookie
yacht.
like this.
Passionate new romance appears in your life when you least expect it.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Yeah, that's been the last 10 years. What happened?
Oh, it's gonna work this time.
Fill out the form. Go to growingoutwithoutborders.com/Pepe. Fill out the form if you want to date Pepe. Travel is a prerequisite.
Yes, love of travel.
Love of travel. Speaking of an old monk who lives to 200, mine says, "You will live a long life, but never get old."
Oh, this all fit each other as well. Okay.
Chloe, what's your Chloe's?
I may fly by, but memories don't.
Time may fly by, but memories don't.
Memories of me
That's totally today.
doing entertainment.
This is like exactly what you live like.
Judge not according to the appearance. Mine says, when winter comes, heaven will rain success on you.
Oh, nice. Good morning from the Burgenstock. We're living it up, having a coffee. I'm sitting in Chloe's bed and enjoying this beautiful view that we woke up to this morning. We have a full fun day, so I'm going to tell you all about it. But first, look at what we woke up to. So you've got these beautiful snow-covered trees. Down below, it's all green already. It's all melted. And there's the catamaran leaving. That's what takes people to and from Lucerne to the Burgenstock Hotel. So this morning we have a whole bunch of fun things. First things first, Swiss breakfast, which is the best breakfast in the world, especially here at the Burgenstock. Then we're gonna go do a kitchen tour. So we're gonna actually like tour the whole kitchens. It's going to be really cool. So we'll show you the back end of the hotel and what the kitchens look like. Last night they brought these really yummy chocolates like this. And then in the room, when you first get here, we have these chocolates. Someone's at the doorbell. Morning. These are the chocolates that they gave us. It's definitely a different perspective, summer to winter, but I really think this is a nice, cozy feel. Gives it a really nice Christmas, feeling. This morning, right now, we are on our way to the front lobby and we're about to go do something really cool and special. Pepe booked us a pastry and chef's tour of their kitchens here at the Burgenstock. So we're gonna go see all the professional kitchens. And the main reason is because Angelique here loves to bake. So when we go home, what do? What are the first things you do?
Bake.
She bakes. She bakes for like 3 days nonstop. And all the neighbors get spoiled with like cakes and cookies and pastries. And so this is a real treat for you, right? Mm-hmm. All right, let's go show you what it looks like.
So,
morning.
welcome behind the scenes,
Welcome to Behind the Scenes.
which provides basically the lobby where we've just been outside and also in the dining near the view. Here we go.
Look at that. This is amazing. Wow, look at the windows. You guys. Look at behind the scenes tour.
The best view.
The best canteen in the world. This is where the staff go to have their meals, their dinners. Wow, look at that. They have a beautiful view in their canteen. Wow, look at your view. Here is where all the magic happens.
So, and this is the banqueting kitchen. They produce everything what's going on in the events.
That's one big mixer.
The responsibilities are a little bit divided.
Uh-huh.
So we have a big boss on top, and then
And executives underneath.
yeah. And I have in every kitchen, I have a head chef and sous chefs and chef de parties, and it's broken down.
So the tour we're doing is with the executive chef, Frank. And he is explaining to us the structure of how it works, the sous chefs that are under him, the head chefs in each kitchen. And he oversees many of the different restaurants here at the Burgenstock Hotel.
Here we get all the deliveries come in level 1, 2 levels down. They're coming, everybody brings it up, divides it in the fridges, and then some people come and divide it to all other outlets, basically.
So this is like the main.
That's basically the main.
Wow, wow, they're getting ready for Christmas. Oh, and now this is the storage of the good stuff, all the drinks. Wow. Here we go. Hello, good morning.
As you know the resort, how big it is, and
Yes.
see this spot here,
Makes all the pastries.
make all of the pastries, all the desserts, everything what is sweet, amenities for the rooms, everything is produced here.
That's what we
Which
were wondering.
cookies?
We
What
ran out of
cookies
cookies
today?
last night.
The really good chocolate chip cookies. We ran out of them.
From Oak?
They were at
from
the front lobby.
Do you have cookies from the lobby?
Yeah.
Can we get some?
Can you make some more, please? Thank you.
What's amazing is look at your view, you guys. You get to work in a kitchen, and you've got this beautiful view, an inspiring view of the mountains and snow. Here we go. Here comes the
I
good
can't eat
stuff.
right now.
What is it?
Coconut.
Oh my goodness.
That's a coconut.
That's a coconut for the dessert we have in spices.
Oh, right. The dessert we had last night.
Exactly.
Wow.
So
Okay guys, there's normally 12 people in this pastry kitchen working. 12. Imagine.
This is our
This is the
florist.
flower
department.
department.
They do
Ah.
all the flowers for the whole resort, all the
Right.
All the beautiful, pretty stuff you see around.
All the decorations.
All the
and
decorations that is made
flowers.
here.
So the question was, how many eggs do you go through in a day? So potentially 3,000 on their high season. 3,000 eggs.
That's a lot of eggs.
How many chickens do they have out back? Here we go. This is Mr. Caesar Ritz from the Ritz-Carlton brand Escoffier. So that's why they call this restaurant the Ritz Escoffier, because they combined Caesar Ritz with this chef who was at the Ritz Hotel, Auguste Escoffier, and that's the name of the restaurant. Angelique just found something on their walls. So these,
menus.
from which year?
Like from the 1900s, 1800s.
18, yeah, look at that. So this is a menu from 1895. They were tiny little menus, look at that. Do you think they were replicas or the real thing, girls? And they were like fancy meals. So they were having, let's see here, filet de bœuf à l'anglaise, foie gras de Strasbourg, like all these like,
Savignon à l'indienne glace.
Savarin à l'indienne.
Il y a des fruits pour le dessert.
Very nice and high end, all the way back in the 1800s. Oh wow, another fancy one. Look at this, how pretty. Look at the art they have in here too, it's beautiful. Look at pretty, pretty, pretty. Everywhere you look, it's all snow covered. Wow. Listen to the sound of the snow. Ooh, it's packy snow. That's the infinity pool over there. It's calling us. They have the coolest thing here, and it is a salt bath. What do you call it?
Floating salt bath.
Floating salt bath. And oh my gosh, it's calling, and it's basically you just lie there and you float in the salts, and it feels so relaxing and so nice. So that's where we're gonna head to next. For those of you who like fitness, this is their fitness areas right here. They have a little gym. This is the pool patio. Not an area you really want to visit during the winter, but this is what it looks like in the winter months.
Now will you pull my sleigh?
This hallway here is their history museum, if you will. So all along the walls, they have paintings and portraits of what it was like back in the day. So the next stop today is the tennis courts. We're gonna go play a round of tennis.
Oh no, now it's the ice skating rink. Look
This
at
is
that.
Chloe getting trained for
Actually
her
have the ice skating rink.
tennis match.
Yeah,
This
we're
is
gonna
ice
play
skating-
tennis on ice.
This is the ice skating rink. No way, that is so cool. Oh, look at this tennis club.
Hey, he looks like you.
Good to see you.
we're in a rush because we want to show you the most amazing sunset here at the Burgenstock. Here we go. Are we gonna get it? Are we gonna get it? Whoa. This is my favorite place in the whole wide world. The Burgenstock Pool. Look at this, you guys. Wow, 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 wow.
This is the sunset.
This is my favorite place. This is just amazing. Over there at a distance is the restaurant. That's like a floating restaurant here. It's so delicious. It's called Spicy. What are we doing tonight, girls?
We're eating Swiss fondue. Swiss fondue time. They call it Swiss fondue, cheese fondue.
It's from Ticino. Very nice. This is my very first time in my life seeing this. Is this like something that's popular? This is marrowbone, and they put your butter inside of it. First round is a
Juice, right?
Yummy
but I say orange
salad.
juice because it sounds like juice.
I gotta love, love. I gotta love, love. I gotta love, love. I gotta love. Some people say
Swiss fondue in Switzerland.
don't make me happy. It's not the reason my heart sings. 'Cause what I've got, you couldn't put a price on that. 'Cause I got something real. 'Cause I gotta love, love. I gotta love, love.
It's our last breakfast here at the Burgenstock, and you can't see hardly a thing outside. There's all the clouds around
Kind of
it.
cool when it's like that.
Isn't it? Yeah. Look at that. The fog is starting to lift. You can actually see down below. It looks like a mysterious place. Fully loaded, ready to go back home. We're gonna go back home, unpack, and then we're going to reload again with some bigger suitcases, drop off a bunch of books and all the stuff we got on the last trip. To keep it cozy warm on these boats. So we're gonna take now this boat to Lucerne train station. From the Lucerne train station, we're gonna head on over towards Lausanne and then home. And tonight, we're gonna have a yummy raclette dinner with Pepe.
Thanks so much, guys, for watching our tour of the Burgenstock and the sponsor from Pepe.
Thanks, Uncle Pepe, for sponsoring this video. Please subscribe.
Give us a big thumbs up, comment down below.
See y'all next time.
Peace out.